In today's video, I'll show you guys how to fix the problem when pressing this one key and restart your PC to disable the driver signature enforcement. The startup settings page doesn't appear. So today I got this command. He got the same problem. My PC shut down after a while. I can't press this. So to fix this problem, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, select system. On right side, scroll down and select this recovery. Advanced startup. Next to that, select the restart now option and select the restart option and restart your PC. I will guide you in my mobile. Select the restart now option. Select the troubleshoot option. Select the advanced options. Select startup settings. Select this restart option and this will restart your PC. Press 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement. And now launch the game through the desktop shortcut. Select this second option to play the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. After following this video steps, if you still having problem doesn't open able to open this startup settings page, check my video description for this enable virtualization on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Follow this video steps and enable virtualization. Once you're done, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.